Well, welcome in the kitchen. I'm so glad you all are here and you've joined me. Supper time. It's Saturday night. We've been in the river today. We've had so much fun. And now I got to get us a quick supper because I haven't started anything and I've not been here today. So, in this pot over here, we're going to have some macaroni and cheese. I'm just going to cook some macaroni noodles, put some butter and cheese and a little bit of milk in it. And we're going to do a quick weeknight barbecued chicken just in the skillet here. Get it turned on. And got my chicken right here. While we get this skillet hot, if y'all could hit that subscribe button for me, it's greatly appreciated. If you can watch me all the way to the end, you never know what's going to go on or happen in this kitchen because I tend to make messes. This is real life cooking, you all. This is just in my kitchen I cook. But while this skillet's getting good and hot, we've got us a can of pineapple, and I want pineapple. Crushed pineapple, which I do not have any. I'll bring y'all over here with me now so y'all can see what we're doing. Can y'all see me? I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right here in this food processor. Pineapple juice and all. Just like that. And this is how we're going to make crushed pineapple. Or pineapple puree. Just a second and you've got it done. Because we're going to need that for our chicken here in just a minute. Alright, let's go back over here. Skillet's not quite hot enough yet, but it's getting there. And while it's getting there and our water for our macaroni's over here, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to that. Because you know you need to season your pasta water just a little bit. And I also need to keep it from boiling over. Take me some butter. Just like this. Go right around the top lip of this pot, right like this. There you go. Drop it down in there. And that way your pot won't boil over. Alright, now then. Here's my chicken. I've got it cut in thin slices, just thin pieces. Got me just a little bit of oil in there. And I'm just going to throw this in there and get it to cooking. Turn this down now that it's good and hot. Alright, there we go. Let me wash my hands off. Alright, now to season this chicken, I'm going to do it with just a little bit of salt. And put just a little bit of salt on it. Not a lot, because we're going to add some other stuff to it here in a few minutes. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to add some butter. We're going to add us some butter to this. Oh, about 2 or 3 tablespoons there. All right, and here's our macaroni. Our water is boiling. We're going to dump that in there. Boom. Right like that. Get me a spoon to stir this with. And somebody asked me about my cookware. Everything you all see me use, just about every piece of my cookware is cast iron. Some of it is enamel coated on just the outside, and some is enamel coated inside and out. I use this skillet right here a lot. And it is just enamel coated on the outside. Now then, get our butter over there in the middle. As this starts to cook, we'll be ready to eat here in just a few minutes. We're going to brown this chicken up, and then we're going to put us some, we're going to do our barbecue for it. And I've got to get on here and make homemade barbecue sauce with you all because we are totally out, and it is by far the best. It does take a half a day to make because you let it cook for 4 to 6 hours, low and slow on your stove, and then I can it because I always make a great big recipe, but I've not had time to do that yet. Maybe one day in the next week or so I can get on here and do that with y'all. Okay, can y'all see how nice and lightly golden brown that chicken is? Doesn't that look yummy? All right, now this is how we're going to barbecue this. Put our crushed pineapple over it, just like that, and some barbecue sauce. And this makes a nice, sweet, savory, and I don't know how much barbecue sauce. You all saw I just squirted some in there. About maybe cup and a half. Let me grab me something better to stir all that up with. And you just want to stir it all together and let it sit here and cook for a few minutes. And you've got a wonderful, this makes a wonderful, wonderful barbecue chicken. And our macaroni is just about done. I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to finish that up too. You just want to get this all stirred up good. And I'll taste it, see what it tastes like, see if it needs more barbecue in there. Because I did use a whole can of pineapple. And that was a 15-ounce can of pineapple. I did use the whole thing, so it's pretty good. I don't think it needs anything else. I think it just needs to sit there and simmer for a few minutes. And I believe our macaroni noodles are done. Turn that off. Drain these over here at the sink. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to drain these, and I'm going to show you how I finish up my macaroni and cheese. All right, they're drained. Perfect. Now then, I do not have any milk. I've got a little bit of cream, so I'm just going to add just a little bit of cream. And I'm going to add some butter. I'm going to add about a half a stick of butter, because everything tastes better with butter. Doesn't it? We all know that, right? Okay. This butter's been sitting out. It's very soft because it is hot here today. It's been in the 90s. That's why on the river. Alrighty. I came in and took a shower. Y'all see me with no makeup on tonight. I don't have makeup on. Alright, and I'm going to use Velveeta cheese. Just block Velveeta. I'm going to slice it kind of thin. And I'm going to put in about however much cheese I think we want. I'll make it as cheesy as you like it, or not. Do y'all see how this sauce is thickening up? That pineapple and barbecue sauce? It's getting thicker. That's the easiest way to make Hawaiian barbecued chicken. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Here's my spoon to stir this with. And I've got this eye turned off because this will all heat and melt through just with the leftover heat of this eye and these macaroni noodles. This may need a little more salt, but I'll taste it at the end. This is just a simple Southern comfort food meal that you throw together real quick. Now I'm going to taste this and see if it's got enough cheese. It's not all melted yet, but it's melting. I'm going to taste it. See if it's going to have enough cheese. I think it will. Like I said, you can use any kind of cheese you want. You don't have to use Velveeta. Some people say Velveeta is not even cheese. I think it is. So, use whatever you want. There's our chicken, barbecued chicken, and macaroni and cheese. Taste this one more time. That is very good. Very delicious. And this is our mac and cheese. So, I'm going to leave y'all right here with this, because hubby's still out. And I'm going to ask y'all to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.